Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to log into Canvas and also how to submit an assignment. So two things. First, you're going to go to Google. So Google, if you're on your iPad, you could click the Google, the one that looks like Google. It usually has many colors. If you have set up Canvas, I think you can also just click on the Canvas application, but I'm going to show you this way in case you can't get in any other way. So you would type in my.ncedcloud.org. Okay, so that's my period NCEDCLOUD period ORG. Then you press enter. And by the way, if you can't type very fast yet, that's okay. You can just take your time to find the letters. Now, when you log in, it might look a little different than mine because you're a student and I'm a teacher, so I might have more on here, but you're going to just go to Canvas. Canvas is the one that is red with the red circle that has like little fancy dots. Okay, now that we're in here, our class for me is literacy, the orange one. You're going to click on that one. Just need to click once. Okay, this is what it looks like when we log in to our classroom page. And here you have all the different links. Remember, our work is always going to be found right here where it says English, Language, Arts. So I'm going to click on it, and that takes me to this week's assignments right here. So this is our schedule for day 1 and 2. This is our getting to know you assignment. And by the way, if you know how to submit, if you can figure it out, go ahead and submit that. If not, don't worry about it. And here is the assignment for today. I'm going to click on it. Then it says click on the assignment and complete. So I'm going to click on it. When you hover over it, it lights up so you can click on it. This is asking me if I want to make a copy. You need to say yes or make a copy. So click on the blue. Takes a minute. And here's our assignment. Okay, so I'm going to pretend that I'm filling this out. I'm going to fill in the first one. You wouldn't need to fill, first thing we do is we want to change the title of it. See here where it says copy day 1. Okay, all the copy parts, you can highlight it by clicking on it and then deleting it, pressing the backspace button. If you don't know the backspace button, you might need to ask for some help. And this is where you're going to put in your first and last name. So mine is Laura Bigby. You would enter your first and last name. Then I'm going to click over here just to get off of that part where the title is. Now I've saved this as Laura Bigby Day 1. So this is my work where I need to answer the questions about You're Finally Here. So I'll just pretend I'm answering the first one here. What was the bunny waiting for? The bunny, and you need to highlight this to delete it. The bunny was waiting on someone to come read their book. Okay, so that's my answer. I would finish this activity. This part you can do for fun if you want to. You don't have to, or you can assemble the bunny and then give your reason why you were taking so long to get to Bunny's book. So I might say something silly like, "Oh, I was baking," because I like to bake. And then I can move the bunny parts over here to make the bunny. So now that I'm done, let's pretend I'm done with my work. What I'm going to do is I need to go to Share, And I need to change this bottom part by clicking on it. The blue part, you click on it, and then you need to click again to say anyone with the link. That makes it so that I can see your work. If you don't click on this, I cannot see your work. So anyone with the link, then you must press done. Don't forget to press done. All right. So now I'm going back up to the top and I'm looking for my Canvas red circle symbol. So I'm going to click on it. Now I'm done with this assignment. So now I'm going to hit Submit Assignment. I can find my assignment in Google Drive. The first time you do this, it might ask you to link your Google Drive. So if you need help with that, you can just answer the questions it's asking you, but go ahead and say yes, let it go ahead to your Google Drive. Now select File. Now it should show my most recent work up here. So this is my most recent work, what I just did. So I'm going to click on it and click Add and then Attach. There's a lot of steps. All right, last step, you submit assignment. You'll know you've submitted the assignment when you see that on here it says your assignment down here. Here's the file, so I know I've attached something. And then, okay, it's saying I can go somewhere else because I've already submitted it, okay? I know I've submitted it because up here it says resubmit assignment. So if I were to make a mistake on my assignment and I wanted to fix it and then turn it in again, I could resubmit. But I know that it's done because it says resubmit assignment. It doesn't say just submit assignment, okay? All right, friends. I know these are many steps. We'll keep practicing, but if you ever forget, you can just practice by watching this video. Okay, watch the video and then try. All right, we'll see you soon.